In a chilly mountain village blanketed with snow and nestled under towering peaks, there lived a young boy named Leo. Leo spent his days diligently working in his late father's lantern shop. His father had been the most renowned lantern maker in the village, and after his passing, Leo took it upon himself to keep the legacy alive, crafting exquisite lanterns that brought warmth and light to the long, dark winters. Leo's lanterns were not just ordinary lanterns, they were exquisite pieces of art. He painstakingly designed each one, pouring his heart into them, ensuring they shone brightly and beautifully even during the dreariest of nights. Despite his hard work, however, Leo often felt something missing, a guiding light of his own, perhaps, like the one his father seemed to possess effortlessly. One frosty afternoon, Leo heard the soft tinkling of bells as the shop door swung open, letting in a frigid gust of wind and a figure cloaked in thick, woolen garments. It was Clara, an elderly woman known for her kind smile and eyes that twinkled like stars. She had been a friend to many in the village and seemed to carry countless stories within her gentle presence. Clara looked around at the gleaming lanterns and then spoke. "Leo, my dear boy, I have a request. I wish for a lantern that is unlike any other, one that captures the beauty of a starry night sky." Her words were spoken softly, yet there was a profoundness in them that seemed to hold promises of mystery and wonder. Curious and wanting to honor her request, Leo nodded enthusiastically and invited Clara into his workshop. As they sat by the warm glow of the fireplace, Clara began to share tales of her youth. She spoke of distant lands, shimmering stars, and the dreams she once chased. To Leo's surprise, intertwined in her memories were mentions of his father, stories filled with his laughter and ambition. "You see, Leo," Clara said, her voice hushed and nostalgic, "your father wasn't just a maker of lanterns. He was a dreamer. He believed that by spreading light, we could change the world, one heart at a time." Her gaze drifted to the ceiling as if she could see the swirling constellations she so fondly remembered. As days passed, Leo and Clara worked side by side on the starry night lantern. With each story and each brushstroke, Leo felt a connection to his father growing stronger. He learned of the dreams his father had for the village, for the world, and realized he was no longer crafting lanterns just to honor a legacy, but to fulfill a dream he now shared, a dream of spreading light and unity. Finally, the special winter evening arrived. The entire village gathered on the snow-covered plaza, huddled close in anticipation. As the first lantern was lit, it glowed with an ethereal beauty, mirroring the starry sky above. One by one, Leo's starry night lanterns were illuminated, casting an awe-inspiring glow across the snow-draped village. The light spread from house to house, heart to heart, a luminescent thread weaving through the community.